Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Can you show me? Can you show me? I need some advice. I need some advice. I am feeling sick. I am feeling sick. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. I don't have change. I don't have change. I like your outfit. I like your outfit. I am on the way. I am on the way. Can you drive me? Can you drive me? I have a meeting. I have a meeting. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. Can I borrow some money? Can I borrow some money? It's raining outside. It's raining outside. I am tired today. I am tired today. I need some rest. I need some rest. It's too loud in here. It's too loud in here. Let's watch a movie. Let's watch a movie. I like this song. I like this song. Can you pick me up? Can you pick me up? I am almost ready. I am almost ready. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it.